Picture yourself in the 2024 Kia Telluride. Here's a capable and stylish Kia Telluride that's spacious, comfortable, and loaded with standard features. This tech-rich midsize three-row SUV leverages driver assistance, powerful performance, and premium amenities to make your in-town and off-road adventures all they can be. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, front massage seats, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive. Prepared for adventure meets premium style in this well-equipped Telluride. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.